Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand travel policy. Now, when you have come to the Paxes, the system by default gives you a default travel policy. This is the first policy which is going to be in the system by default, and you cannot delete this policy, but you can edit it. Default travel policy is applicable on all the employees within the company. Now, when I open the policy, so you see a policy for flights, hotels and transfers. You can actually apply policy on all the products. Now let's go back. Once you have saved the policy and you wanted to create exception policy for a particular set of employee, then you can either add a travel policy, or if you have already added a travel policy, go to edit option. Now this policy which you have created is applicable on a certain particular employee or on a particular grade or a designation. Let's say I wanted to create this policy just for grade A. So I will save it as grade A, and I also might change the name to grade A policy. I might have to create a new policy for grade B. Then I'll come on add new travel policy. Create new policy, name it as grade B or whatever I wanted to name, and start creating the same. And in the add employee section, I will add a grade B to it. Coming back on the travel policy, as you can see, there are some corporate configurations which are set up at the corporate level. These are the configuration to set for short haul and long haul flights. So when you come to the airline part, there is a setting of short haul. There is a setting of short haul and long haul flights. You can also call as a domestic or international. So short haul flights, you can decide the duration. Short haul flights are up to 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour of the flying duration, and more than that will be automatically considered as the long haul flights. The system also captures the missed savings report. So if I go on the advanced settings, you can actually decide the time window preference for the short haul and a long haul flight. To give you an example, if you have selected plus minus 1 hour, and now if the user is searching a 7 a.m. flight for a short haul sector, the system will automatically suggest that between 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. what are the cheapest flight options available. And if the user has not taken the cheapest option, the system will record that flight within the system, and it will also show on the report that what is the amount of savings the company has missed in this case. So that's all on the travel policy. Thank you so much.